In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off those pesky Hubspot notifications that keep popping up, distracting you from your work. Whether you use Hubspot for managing your business or you're just a frequent user, those notifications can get overwhelming. So let's walk you through how to silence them in just a few simple steps. First, you'll want to head over to the Hubspot website. If this is your first time or you're not familiar with the URL, you can easily find it by doing a quick search for Hubspot in your preferred search engine. Once there, navigate to the home page. It's designed to be user-friendly, but just in case you need a little help, look for the familiar HubSpot logo, usually in shades of orange and white. From the home page, the next thing you'll want to do is click on the Login button. It's typically situated at the top right corner of the page. Make sure you have your login credentials handy. If you use a password manager, this step might be even quicker for you. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on HubSpot's main home interface. This is where you can access all your tools and features. Look around and get comfortable, as this is where all the magic happens. Next up, we need to draw our attention to the notification icon. This particular icon is often located in the upper right section of the dashboard, resembling a bell. It's the central hub where all your notifications are gathered, making it easy for you to see everything you need at a glance. Once you click on the notification icon, the next straightforward step is to head directly to the settings. Yes, the settings. This is the golden area where all your configuration dreams can come true. You'll find it by clicking on the settings option, which is often represented by a gear icon. It's a universal symbol for settings, so you'll know it when you see it. Now that you're in the settings, you'll see a variety of configuration options. Spend a moment exploring if you're interested, but our focus today is to disable those notifications. Look for the section titled Notification Preferences, or something similar, which will allow you to manage how and when you receive alerts. Depending on your needs, you can disable all notifications or selectively choose which notifications to silence. Simply toggle off the switches for the notifications you wish to turn off. And there you have it. With these steps, you should now have a quieter, less distracting HubSpot interface that allows you to focus more energy on what truly matters. Thanks for tuning in and happy working with your now less interruptive HubSpot.